Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Statistics problems often look confusing, but you can master this experimental design question in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps to success today. The researchers randomly assigned participants to 2 groups. This active intervention is the hallmark of an experiment, not an observational study, which immediately rules out options C and D. Boom! Since the researchers assigned groups to receive different supplements, this is a standard experiment. There is no mention of pairing subjects by characteristics, so it is not a matched design. Option A correctly identifies this as an experiment where one group receives the new supplement and the other acts as a control group using the current supplement. You got this! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't fall for observational traps. Always identify random assignment to define your experimental study correctly.